Hello, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to remove a payment method from your Hostinger account step by step using the latest H-Panel interface. Let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account at hostinger.com. Once you're inside your dashboard, click from the drop-down menu, click on Billing. Inside the Billing section, look for Payment Methods. Click on Payment Methods, and you'll see all the saved payment methods connected to your account, such as credit cards or PayPal. To remove a payment method, find the one you want to delete. Click on the three dots next to the payment method, then click Remove or Delete. A confirmation message will appear. And that's it. That's how you remove a payment method from Hostinger using the updated interface. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updated tutorials. Thanks for watching.